Hey, this is Chantel with WTI. My husband and I have been wanting to do some upgrades to our 2011 Toyota Sequoia. So the first thing we wanted to switch out was our stereo for an Apple CarPlay. But in order to install the Apple CarPlay, we needed this JBL adapter harness. And this is from Nava Stereo, and I can't wait to get this hooked up. There were a lot of wires, but with the help of Nava Stereo's amazing customer service, they sent me every picture diagram I needed to make sure everything was getting hooked up properly. They were so helpful and so kind. This ended up being such a fun project for our son to do with his dad. They really enjoyed figuring it all out together. We absolutely love listening to music in the car, so this JBL harness helped us to get those speakers bumping. I highly recommend purchasing from this company. We couldn't have gotten our Apple CarPlay set up without this JBL harness and wonderful support team. But that's just my point of view.